I'm Chuck Boutall, Director of Education with RTILearning.com. Welcome to another When It Comes Down to It. Now today, I want to talk about mold and paper. Okay, now paper is a prime food source. It's like the prime rib. Paper is like a buffet to mold. It's got steak, eggs, shrimp, green beans, mashed potatoes. My wife makes really good mashed potatoes. Jambalaya. It's got tacos, ice cream. At one time I went to the Golden Corral. They had an ice cream machine, and you could just get all the ice cream you want. Pizza, fried chicken, rotisserie chicken, broccoli, tacos, but in burrito form. What do you call it? Pierogies, biscuits, definitely. Ooh, biscuits. Now, long story short, when it comes down to it, mold loves paper. Loves it. Loves it like a long lost lover. Just loves paper.